Mitsubishi Outlander 2022 AC compressor failure. Actually, this one not compressor failure, gas leak from the compressor rear cover o-ring. From the top. This leak more than enough for the 1 year. Regular, this customer need to come to the garage because of this leak. This year we can top up if they want, but next year definitely they're going to come back. Mitsubishi Outlander 2022 compressor gas failure. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.